guys. So we made quite a few changes from the FLIT 16 to the M2, but probably the biggest change was how we make the frames. So our old bike was welded, the new bike is bonded. And the reason why we did this is because the lead times during COVID for welded frames went from about 3 months up to about a year and a half. And so we were looking at ways of reducing the lead time by using different processes. And when we started looking at bonding, we realized there's actually a lot of other benefits too. So in welding, there's a lot of heat involved, and you get big distortions on the frame. And that meant that we had to allow quite a lot of clearance around key parts of the frame from folding by. It meant that the overall fold had to be a little bit bigger to allow for those imprecise precision positions of everything after welding. But with bonding, we don't have that distortion, so we can go really tight on the fold. We can also mix materials. There's materials that we're using in this bike that we can't weld together, but we can bond together. And lastly, the finish, it gives us a lot more flexibility with the finish. So we've been able to use anodizing as a finishing process, which gives us a much more durable finish than paint. So overall, what started off as an experiment internally has turned out to be our main process for making frames, and it brings with it a lot of advantages.